Hello everyone. In today's session, I'm going to tell you that how you are going to publish your advertisement on YouTube. You could have seen whenever we watch some videos on YouTube, some ads used to appear. It may be at the beginning of our video which you're going to see, or at the middle of the video, or at the end. These are advertisements which a particular businessman or a particular business association used to place on YouTube. Why? Because YouTube has a large consumer base. A large number of people used to waste their time, used to spend their time in YouTube. They used to search for information, search for videos, educational content, and everything. So the giving of YouTube ads for your business is very great idea, because if you are going to publish your ads in YouTube, then a large number of audience is going to view your ads, and your chances of generating sales of will definitely increase. So in this session today, I'm going to show you that how you can create YouTube advertisement campaigns. Means campaign basically means what? That you want to create a ad in YouTube, and how you're going to create it, I'm going to tell you this thing. First of all, you have to navigate to this link, youtube.com/ads. You can see it, youtube.com/ads. Once you came to this website, you have to click on start now. After clicking on start now, it will ask you to sign up with your Gmail account. I have already done so, so you can also do it. It is very easy. Then you click on get started. The moment I will click get started, so this something like this will come. Now what you have to do, let it be loaded once. It's loading. Let's create your video ad. You are going to place video ad on YouTube. Fine. Now for this reason, one thing must be there, that your video must be there. Means the type of content or video which you want to show as ad, that ad video must be there in YouTube somewhere or the other. You can post your ad video. Basically, again I want to repeat, if you want to create an ad on YouTube, your video must be already present in the YouTube section. Suppose here they will ask you search for your videos or paste its URL. Suppose it's my video. I will go over here, search. I will copy the link. I have copied. I will come over here. I will simply do a paste. Then what is SEO? Means this is the video that will be shown as ad. This will be the video. You can see this type of structure you have seen before also in YouTube. So like this it will come. So the ad which you want to show, which you want to display, must already be present in YouTube in form of video, so that you can give your link over here. Then after clicking on this sign up or this learn more button, whether your customers will be redirected to your business website. Suppose I have written over here www.abc.com. It is my business website. I have written over here, and you will select on next. So what will happen, if someone will click on learn more button, he will be redirected to that your business website, from where he can purchase your products or can use your services. Next thing is, next choose the location and language of your customers. Means where you want to show your ads and in which language. First of all, add language. You have to select, suppose I will select Kolkata over here, Kolkata, West Bengal, India. You select over here, then your ads will be displayed only in Kolkata, this section. And language you can add, I have added only English. You can add Hindi or any other native language in which you want to display your advertisement. Now here you can see that there is the estimate weekly performance. Means how much you have to give. These all things on impressions, on clicks you have to give this much. On views you're going to pay this, and on average cost per view you're going to pay this thing. Then click on next. After clicking on next, you have to select the gender, age, and parental status of your customers. Means it is known as target audience, means to whom you want to show your ads. Suppose there is a product which I am selling which is related to boys only. Then I don't want my ads to be displayed to females, so I will deselect it from here. Age, I can select that my products are for which age category. That age I can select over here. Then parental status also I can select. So it depends upon your business, upon your services, upon your type of ad which you want to display. You can select it according to your wish, and then click on next. After clicking on next, now they will ask you that you want to reach people with specific interest, that is known as demographic transition. It's a very important section. First option is keep interest as broad as possible. Means everyone will be going to see your ads in Kolkata. But if I will select on reach people with specific interest, suppose if I want to purchase a laptop, then my interest is laptop. As a customer, I want to purchase laptop only. And as a seller, you want your ads to be displayed to the customers who wants laptop. So you will select over here reach people with this specific interest. Means those who have interest in buying a particular product, in buying your services. Only towards those people your ads will be shown. So it's a very good idea, and I will recommend you all to use this thing, so that so that unnecessary people will not going to see your ads. The unnecessary people will not go to see your ads. Suppose in I have ads regarding banking and financing, so I will select this thing. Means only the avid investors in Kolkata region who are interested regarding this topic are going to see my ads. It's a very suitable idea regarding this. You can select beauty and wellness, transportation, vehicles. There are a lot of options present over here. Then select on next. After select on next, you have to select a pricing. Means how much you want to spend. So it's a daily budget. You can select according to your budget, whatever you have. Then click on next. After clicking on next, you have to review your campaign. Make sure that everything you have given correct is the destination URL. It is the video which you want to show as ads, location, language, demographics is any interest you have shown, daily budget is something like this. Click on next. The moment you click on next, here your ads is getting ready. It is already done in the campaign section. Now what you have to do, you have to give your billing address, means your payment information, and your ads will be started. See, it is the ad. There are no clicks now, no impression, nothing. What you have to do to make this ads live now, you have to add your payment option. Fix it. You will get an option, your account cannot show ads. You start running ads, enter your billing information. You add your billing information over here, all your things, card information and rest of the credentials, and the ads will start. So it was all about that how you can place videos in YouTube as a part of advertisement for promotion your products and services. I hope that you like this video. If you like this, please subscribe my channel and stay tuned for upcoming videos as well. Thank you. Have a great day.